Do you owe SARS VAT when selling off planned property? South Africa Real Estate Explained today. Hey, South Africa, are you a property developer, investor, or agent working on a new development? Then this episode is for you. Because if you're selling off planned property in South Africa, the big question is, do you have to pay VAT to SARS before the property is even built? Let's clear up the confusion, yes, once and for all. Many developers and investors get caught out. The offer to purchase gets signed and boom, SARS wants its cut. Or does it? You could be triggering a massive VAT bill before you even lay a brick. But here's the good news. There are options, and you're about to learn them. Let's start with the basics, shall we? According to the South African VAT Act, VAT is usually payable when a property is either transferred or when payment is received, whichever comes first. Now, sounds simple until it's not, because if you, the developer or investor, receive even a portion of the purchase price, like a progress payment, SARS may say something like this: thanks, we'll take our VAT now. But wait, here's the smart move. There's a powerful clause in the VAT Act, in fact, Section 93D, that allows VAT to be delayed until you register, transfer, or receive actual funds. That means no payment, no transfer equals no VAT yet. As long as that deposit is held safely in the conveyancer's trust account and not touched by the developer or investor, you are in the clear, my friend. And yes, I've drafted this exact clause for my developer clients, and it works. Think about it. Why should you fork out VAT before you've been paid a single cent? Protecting your cash flow during construction could be the difference between a profitable build or a financial headache. The key is how your OTP is structured, how your deposits are handled, and what SARS sees as payments received. Structure it wrong, and you're paying tax with money you don't even have. If you're a developer or agent and want to avoid expensive mistakes, reach out to me. Let's make sure your next development is VAT smart and profit protected. I'm Trevor Whitaker, professional real estate expert with eXp Realty right here in Cape Town, South Africa. Always remember, I am not a legal or tax professional, and I will always advise you to check critical information with the right people, yes, before you act. And if you found this valuable, like, share, and hit that subscribe button. I've got more pro insights coming your way every week. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it strategic.